Hello everyone. 47 session of Computer Applications in Business of 5th semester BBA. In this session, we are going to understand DBMS, Database Management System, the meaning of DBMS, features, advantages and disadvantages of database management system. To recall the content of the previous classes, where we have understood the data model, the different components of data model, and 4 types of data model: hierarchical model, network model, relational model, and the last session concentrated on object-oriented database model, where we understood the components of object-oriented database model, its advantages and disadvantages. The learning objective of this session is to enable the students to understand the concept of database management system, the features, advantages and disadvantages of this database management system. After the completion of the session, the students will be able to define database management system, explain its features, and outline the advantages and disadvantages. Now, the content of the sessions are the meaning of database management system, its features, advantages, and disadvantages of database management system. The abbreviated form of DBMS is Database Management System. It's a program or group of programs that work in conjunction with operating software to create, process, store, retrieve, control, and manage the data. It is basically an interface between application program and data stored in the database. Database itself is collection of information, and this information has to be created, has to be stored, has to be processed and should be given for access. So all these activities has to be done by certain set of programs, and that set of programs which enables for creation, processing, storing, retrieving and managing the data is what is called as database management system. It's an interface between hardware and the user. The database which is being stored in the device and the user who wants to access the database. So the intermediary programming is what is called as database management system. The users may be application programs or any other users. Popular DBMS programs are MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, Microsoft Access and IBM DB2. Now let us understand some of the features of database management system. Database system facilitates sharing of stored database among multiple users and application programs. And further, new applications can be developed by using same stored data. So, database management system is characterized by data sharing. Apart from data sharing, it also facilitates data integrity. Integrity refers to validity of the data stored in the database, and it is imposed with the database when it is designed and is authenticated through ongoing use of error checking and validation. DBMS also facilitates data security. Database system has data security checks whenever access is attempted to sensitive data. The relational database management system ensures that The only means to access the database is through authorized channel only, so through which data security is provided. And it also controls data redundancy. Redundancy is duplication of data. In order to eliminate duplication, database system is designed by integrating various files and each logical data item stored in the stored location. DBMS also facilitates ease application development by overcoming some of the limitations on concurrent access, security, data integrity, etc. The other feature of DBMS is that it is a multiple user interface. In order to meet the needs of various users having different technical knowledge, database provides different types of interfaces such as query languages, application program interfaces, and graphical user interfaces. Now let's move on to the advantages of this database management system. Most of the characteristics includes the advantages. Let us discuss. The database management system provides the facility to use the same data with different applications and different users, so data can be shared, and it minimizes the duplication of data. There is no need to enter the data again and again, as the data can be shared between different applications, so resulting in controlling data redundancy. DBMS also facilitates proper transaction management by handling the transactions more efficiently than the traditional file-based management system. Database management system also provides short-run programs instead of writing long-run programs. So writing a simple single-line command using a structured query language, it is easier to give commands to the database management system. So there is no need to write long programs to manage the data. And it is also easy to manage the data and maintain the data in the database management system, as DBMS is using structured query language. The another advantage is that data inconsistency can be avoided. As the data is integrated, user is not bothered about updating the same data in different files. And it also makes user management easier. For providing the user rights and authorization checks, the DBMS can control and restricts the user. And database management data can be integrated very easily. Change in one data is reflected automatically in the other related files. Now let us have a look into the demerits of the database management system. The cost of database management is very high, as the number of users increases, the need to pay more. And it requires high-end software and skilled personnel to install database network. The other disadvantage is that it is difficult to control and keep track of data accessed by users. Means to say, proper encryption and decryption techniques are required to source data over a network. And when the data volume is very high, performance of DBMS will be poor, as many users are using the database at the same time. It may generate traffic in the network, and it will be more complex when database management contains many database in it. It may reduce the speed of data access. Now, based on the content where we have understood database management system, the features, its advantages and disadvantages, let's try to answer the questions. Question number 1. Popular DBMS program is Oracle, MySQL, Sybase, all of the above. Yes, we have understood the different database management programming languages. Yes, answer is all of the above. Next question. Expansion of DBMS. Multiple choice are direct brand management system, directory based management system, database management system, database marketing system. Yes, answer is B, database management system. Next question. The limitation of database management system is, options are high cost, complexity, difficult to control, all of the above. Yeah, we have gone through the limitations of DBMS. Answer is D, all of the above, because it requires highly skilled technical person, requires more hardware and software, so it becomes very expensive and more complex and difficult to control too. Next question. Which one of the following is not an advantage of DBMS? Data sharing, data integrity, lengthy program, easy management. We know that data sharing, data integrity, easy management are the advantages. So answer is lengthy program, because it requires only simple small programs. The next question. DAS is not a feature of DBMS. Data sharing, data integrity, data security, single user interface. Yes, answer is D. Single user interface is not a feature because it is multi-user interface. Some of the books referred in making this PPT and session. Thank you.